we are happy. There is a complete belt where the radiation level is more than 20, complete belt starting from Nepal borders to Chhattisgarh, Telangana, Rajasthan, and all 18, 21, 20%, 22%. We are already number three in the solar installed capacities, and our honorable Prime Minister wants by 2030 we should have 450,000 megawatt renewable power. If converting the units basis also 20-30% of the that power will, if it's converted in the power our own country, and we are already taking up steps how we can really bring up solar manufacturing activities in this country. There are a number of the tenders which have come up, and in the electrical vehicle this thing also, as a regulator we have formed a working group committee how the tariff, there should not be high tariff differential on the electrical vehicles from one state to another. What we are proposing a uniformity pattern in the tariff if your electrical vehicles are to be raised. And the one of the world's highest growth in the electrical vehicle, if I'm not mistaken, again 1100 1200% had come from the electrical vehicles only in this country. So we have a mania right now how to increase the electrical vehicle this thing, how to address the problem which are coming up. And I personally feel we will be able to handle with and energy. If GDP growth, if it is we wanted a 10% or 12% or 15% GDP growth, then 4% GDP growth will help from the power sector. Growth will help the GDP growth by 4%. That 3.2 or 3.4 was the realistic figure. So that if a 10% GDP growth is at 2.5%, 15%, the energy contribution will be 4% around. With this kind of a passion in hand in our, I'm pretty sure we will be in by next 5-6 years. We'll phase out the fossil fuel based power plant. We'll phase out the import dependability on the fuels, which include gas, petroleum product, and also coal.